The best backup cameras improve parking safety by providing clear rear visibility, reducing blind spots, and helping prevent collisions with obstacles and pedestrians. My today's video is about top 5 best backup cameras for safer parking that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Rover 2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front. The Rover 2-4K Dual Dash Cam is an outstanding choice for drivers who want premium protection on every journey. Its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera capture sharp, detailed footage with wide viewing angles, making it easier to document accidents, road incidents, and unexpected events from both directions. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor delivers impressive night performance, producing bright and clear recordings even on poorly lit roads. Built-in dual-band 5G Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers through the Rove app, while integrated GPS records speed, location, and driving routes for valuable evidence when needed. Advanced features such as loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, motion detection, and customizable 24-hour parking mode provide reliable security whether you're driving or parked. The included 128GB microSD card and complete installation kit makes setup simple and convenient. With dependable performance, thermal protection, and support for large capacity storage, this dash cam offers exceptional value, reliability, and peace of mind for everyday driving. Now our second product is Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The Autovox Wireless Backup Camera is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want safer parking and towing without the hassle of complicated installation. Its true wire-free design takes only minutes to install, eliminating expensive dealer installation and making it ideal for older vehicles without factory backup screens. The upgraded dual antenna system delivers a stable wireless signal over long distances, providing dependable performance for trucks, RVs, trailers, and campers. The 1080p HD camera produces crisp, detailed images, while color night vision maintains excellent visibility during nighttime parking and low-light driving. A large 7.2-inch split-screen monitor offers an expanded field of view and supports an additional camera for enhanced blind spot monitoring. Solar-assisted charging reduces maintenance, with convenient USB-C charging available whenever needed. Built-in DVR loop recording adds valuable video evidence for driving and parking events. Combined with broad vehicle compatibility, reliable wireless performance, and responsive customer support, this backup camera delivers outstanding convenience, safety, and confidence for everyday driving and long-distance towing. Our third product is Pixelman Backup Camera. The Pixelman PMD2AS backup camera stands out as a premium choice for drivers seeking dependable visibility and safer reversing in all conditions. Its upgraded 1080p HD imaging system, powered by a specialized Japanese image sensor, delivers sharp details, vibrant colors, and impressive clarity even under harsh sunlight or in dim environments. The ability to switch between HD and AHD output adds flexibility, allowing it to work with a wider range of compatible displays. A large 1/2.7-inch sensor and high-quality optical glass lens with a wide 170 degrees viewing angle significantly reduce blind spots while maintaining excellent night vision performance. Built with an IP69 waterproof rating, durable alloy housing, and nano-waterproof sealing, the camera is engineered to withstand rain, dust, extreme temperatures, and long-term outdoor exposure. Installation is straightforward, and the rugged construction inspires confidence for daily use. Overall, the PMD2AS combines image quality, durability, and reliable performance, making it an outstanding backup camera for enhanced parking safety. Now number 4, Irapta ERT01 HD Backup Camera Rear. The Irapta ERT01 backup camera is a dependable and budget-friendly solution for improving parking safety and rear visibility. Designed for vehicles that support CVBS video signals, it is compatible with a wide range of cars, SUVs, pickups, minivans, and sedans. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included 26-foot RCA cable and complete mounting accessories, making it easy to connect to compatible radios, monitors, or factory navigation systems. The camera features 6 glass lenses and an upgraded image sensor that deliver sharp, natural-looking images with accurate color reproduction. Its built-in LED lights automatically illuminate dark areas, providing clear nighttime visibility for confident reversing. The dual bracket design offers flexible mounting options, allowing users to position the camera where it best suits their vehicle. Built with a rugged metal housing and an IP69K waterproof rating, it is engineered to withstand rain, dust, vibration, and harsh weather. Overall, the ERT01 offers reliable performance, durability, and excellent value for everyday driving. And our last choice is 7-Tour 1080p backup camera. The 7-Tour TC1 backup camera offers an excellent combination of safety, convenience, and reliable performance for everyday driving. Its standout feature is the integrated radar parking sensor, which provides audible distance alerts as you approach obstacles or pedestrians, adding an extra level of protection during reversing. The 1080p HD camera and wide 170-degree viewing angle deliver clear, detailed images that help reduce blind spots and improve parking confidence. A large 7-inch monitor offers an easy-to-read display, while flexible installation allows either continuous viewing or automatic activation when reverse gear is engaged. Night driving is equally impressive, with built-in LED illumination producing bright and clear images in low-light conditions. The IP69 waterproof construction ensures dependable operation in rain, dust, and harsh weather, while adjustable display settings let users customize image quality to their preference. Combined with versatile mounting options and responsive customer support, the TC1 is a dependable backup camera system that significantly enhances driving safety and everyday convenience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.